Hey guys, so today something really exciting is happening and I'm not gonna tell you just yet. You guys will just have to wait and see. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Look what's behind me. I know you're probably like, what is that? Like a truck and a trailer? But something really exciting is about to happen. Come on, let's go see. It's happening! Although I don't know how to drive it yet, I'm gonna learn. We're just gonna look through the car real quick, make sure everything looks good, and then yeah, I need to not forget to pay you. Okay. And then, yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. When I did the overview, the only thing I seen was right here. This little spot.
So right now we're just going over checking to see if there's anything that wasn't on the car before it got in the trailer. I'm gonna put the top up, how the top looks. So when I was buying this car, originally that rear right window wasn't going up all the way to the top. I was just making sure that that was fixed and taken care of. So it looks like it was. Gosh, I love this car. I'm so excited to learn how to drive manual. Why I went with a manual? I don't know, I just wanted a challenge. Okay, so I was gonna originally get a red Mustang, a ruby red with a red interior, and I was only looking for a red interior. I was gonna wrap the ruby red one in either white or matte black or gray, and so babe over here told me to wait until I get the exact one I wanted, which was white with a red interior, and yeah, I'm really glad I did.